Hi, junk journaling friends. This is Lauren with Shabby Chic Sunday, sharing with you all my December design team project for Shabby Art Boutique. And I'm using her newest digital collection for the craft room, which is titled Whimsy Roses. So for this project, we built a birdhouse, which stores a journal and a yearly planner inside. And the birdhouse is constructed from heavy chipboard and it opens from one side of the roof, which I will show you in a moment. The door and the windows that you see here on the front, those are made using a silicone mold with polymer clay and then just painted white and the shabby blue that you see on the door. There are some strips of lace behind the windows to kind of make it seem like curtains. And then the flower boxes underneath just have some faux flowers in them, and those are made from heavy chipboard as well. The little birdie that you see sitting in the flower box is just a fussy cut from the element section of the kit. And then the little lantern there turns on and off with a switch that's on the inside. There's another little bird from the elements sitting on this peg post. And then over here, this sign was made using the labels from the kit. There are 6 different blank labels that you can choose from. I just uploaded it into my Canvas space in Cricut, and then I put a text box in there so that I could type Whimsy Roses Cottage. And then I did that double-sided so that each side had the same signpost. For the roof here, these are a bunch of varying size fussy cut elements of the roses and some feather trim. And some of them are glued down flat onto the scalloped roof, and then others are popped up with some puffy tape to kind of give it more of a 3D effect. For the scalloped edges on the trim of the roof, this is what I used. And I used this also as my template because I wanted to use the papers from the kit. So you can see the sides of the roof are also scalloped, and all I did was trace the paper right onto here and then just layered them up on both sides. Okay, so I think what I'd like to do is show you all the other sides of the birdhouse, and then we'll go ahead and open it up and see the inside. I had a really difficult time trying to choose the papers for this birdhouse because this kit just completely sings to my heart, and I loved every single paper that was included in this kit. So it was very difficult to try to decide just 4 to use for this project. Okay, so it's already partially lifted open. So this opens here on the left, and then this is the little mini planner that I will show you. And this is the journal. So let me pull her out. Okay, so this is the journal that was tucked away inside of the birdhouse. And I'm going to take you upstairs in a minute and set this to music while I show you a flip through. But before I do, I just wanted to mention a few things. So the binding method that I chose for this journal is just 3 ties of ribbon. The reason I did that is I wanted this journal to be deconstructible if you wished it to be, because it is designed to be a planner and a keepsake book through the year to help kind of guide you and keep you organized and also capture your memories. And so I wanted whomever gets this to be able to move things around. And also the pages are made of very thick, heavy cardstock, 110-pound cardstock. And so the calendars inside especially could be removed and used as standalone calendars on your desk or even thrown into your purse. And so I will show you a flip through of this. And then also this little mini notebook here has additional planning pages as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take you upstairs. I'm going to set this to music and show you the inside of both of those booklets. I will leave information in the description box below if you are interested in purchasing this project and to find additional information for Shabby Art Boutique. Until next time, friends, I'll see you soon. Take care.